Hi guys, so if you haven't figured it out by now, we started out with an unusual concept and I'm taking an alternative spin to this video set. Because when people take the first exams for statistics, they freak. Everybody freaks. And on my experience, the average for these exams is a lot lower than a passing grade. Why? Because people freak. So if you read the playlist description, or you read the item on Tall Guy Math that leads you into this, or you just read the description for this video, then yeah, you already know what's going to happen here. But if not, we're going to lead you in through a powerful series. So first off, I'm just going to give you 5 numbers. Just 5 numbers, 5 easy numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That sounds like something an idiot would put on his bike combination. Been there, done that, don't want to do it again. Anyways, continuing. First off, I want you to add all these numbers together. All right? It should take you no more than a few seconds. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Easy fix. That should equal... Oh, that's a terrible 15. 15. Second, I want you to take that original 15 and divide it by the amount of numbers that you have. All right? So far, so good. We got the 15 from this set over here, and we placed it down here, and we're going to divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So 5. Nothing too bad yet, right? No? Good. By the way, this equals 3. Now I'm going to use keep as a trigger word for you to remember to keep these numbers while we're doing this particular series. So this AMT stands for amount, and keep says you want to spend careful attention with these particular numbers. Okay? Everything else, really don't need to worry about for the moment. But keep those items. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 3. We're going to use that in the next part. All right? So let's see. List out our numbers. And we're going to subtract 3 from each of them. Those are the numbers that we got from the last slide. So let's see. If we do the math accordingly, we should get... Let's see. This should take you no more than about a minute and a half. You shouldn't need a calculator for this. It's all right to have negatives. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Now, mind you, notice how I'm doing this. I'm trying to keep it in a very linear format, kind of like what we were doing in the first video of this series. So far, so good? Awesome. Now, we want you to keep these numbers right here. We don't care about anything else beforehand. We want you to keep these numbers. And you know what we're going to do to each of these numbers? We're going to square them. Okay, so -2 squared, 4. -1 squared, 1. 0, 1, 4. Okay, now we're going to keep these numbers. We don't care about anything else before that. We just want these. Then we're going to add them all up together. So 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4, a solid 10. We're going to keep this number now. We don't care about anything else before that. Notice how this is really fast-paced. I'm not trying to keep too many concepts in this. That's because the next video is going to have more of a conceptual feel to it. All right, now we're going to take that 10, divide that by the amount of numbers that we have. So 10 divided by the amount of numbers that we had. We had 5 numbers in the beginning because we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers. That's just a solid 2. Alex, what's the point of this video? What's the real point of this video? Why are we even bothering to do this? Well, this is a quiz that I give students early on, before they even touch statistics. This is a very common quiz video, actually. And what this quiz allows us to do is it allows us to see whether or not a student is ready to calculate population variance. You guys know it better as sigma squared. Oh, so we just took this large, complicated looking equation and just broke it down to what? A series of 6 steps? Probably even break it down to 4 if we're lucky. How did that happen? Well, we're going to explain that in the next video, and we're going to show you how to use calculator functions right along with this. This is a remake of one of my first videos. So for now, and to everybody I say, this is the Tall Guy, signing off.